Good morning students. Today our topic excretion. Excretion means removal of waste material from our body is known as the excretion. Excretion takes place when harmful substances produced inside our body by different metabolic activities. Means हमारी बॉडी में जब किसी प्रकार की metabolic activities takes place करती है, then some waste material is produced that is necessary टू रिमूव दीज वेस्ट मटेरियल. क्योंकि अगर वो वेस्ट मटेरियल रिमूव नहीं होगा, हमारी बॉडी में डिपॉजिट हो जाएगा, तो हमारी बॉडी डिजीज हो जाएगी या हमारी डेथ हो जाएगी. दस एक्सक्रीशन मीन्स रिमूवल ऑफ वेस्ट मटेरियल. इन प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स सम डिफरेंसेस आर देयर फॉर द एक्सक्रीशन ऑफ वेस्ट मटेरियल. इन एनिमल्स specific organs work for this process of excretion, but in plants excretion takes place from stem, root, leaves during gases exchange by different methods. Now in plants, during daytime when photosynthesis takes place, then oxygen is removed as a waste material, and during night when no photosynthesis takes place, then carbon dioxide is removed as a waste material with the help of stomata. Guard cells help in opening and closing of stomatal pores. These guard cells help in opening and closing of these stomatal pores for these gases exchange. Now second, in the form of bark of trees, bark की फॉर्म में जो आउटर लेयर डेड हो जाती है, बार्क की फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट हो जाती है, वो एक्सक्रीशन प्रोडक्ट है. सेकंड, येलोविंग ऑफ लीव्स, जो पत्ते पीले हो जाते हैं उनके अंदर प्लांट्स का वेस्ट मटेरियल डिपॉजिट हो जाता है, जिसकी वजह से वो धीरे धीरे येलो हो जाते हैं, और येलो हो जाएंगे तो वो हैवी हो जाएंगे और फिर वो डिटैच हो जाते हैं, मीन्स टूट कर नीचे गिर जाते हैं. राइपनिंग ऑफ फ्रूट्स, जो पके हुए फल होते हैं उनके अंदर प्लांट्स का वेस्ट मटेरियल होता है. गम्स एंड रेजिन्स, जो प्लांट्स में गोंद निकलती है, गम्स, दैट इज द वेस्ट मटेरियल ऑफ प्लांट्स. सो बाय दीज टाइप्स ऑफ waste material are produced in the plants and excretion takes place. But in animals, different or excretory organs are present for their removal. In unicellular organisms, excretion takes place through their general body surface by nephridia, and in human beings, kidney is a specific organ that help in the process of excretion and removal of these type of waste materials. In our human beings, in our body, one pair of kidney is present that help in the process of excretion. In the human being, kidney is present on our back side, on the lower part of our back side. And on the one pair of kidney, adrenal glands are present. On the surface of kidney, adrenal glands are present. This is also known as emergency gland because it controls our heartbeat, our respiratory rate during the emergency conditions like fear, excitement, and more happiness. In these conditions, these adrenal glands secrete adrenaline hormone and controls our body activities. And in kidney, large number of small units, nephrons, are present that helps in the filtration of waste material. Waste materials are collected in kidney and then it is passed with the help of ureter, and by these ureter, this waste material is collected in the urinary blood, and by the urethra it is removed. Waste material from the kidney passes through the ureter and collected into the urinary bladder, and then it is removed in the form of urine with the help of urethra. In the kidney, renal arteries are present that brings the waste material, yeah, dirty blood, which carry different type of waste material, nitrogenous waste material, that are filtered in the kidney. Now our next, nephron. Nephron is the smallest excretory unit that are present in the kidneys. In the kidney, millions of nephrons are present. In the nephron, a cup-shaped Bowman's capsule are present. Bowman's capsule are present, and on the surface of Bowman's capsule, a blood capillaries group is present that is known as glomerulus. When this blood capillary passes over the surface of Bowman's capsule, then by the process of diffusion, filtration takes place. And now this waste material is passed from the convoluted tubule This waste material is filtered by the Bowman's capsule, and then this waste material is passed into the convoluted tubule and now this is passed here, loop of Henle, that is known as loop of Henle. And now this material is passed through this distal convoluted tubule, and in the last, these all waste material in the form of urine is collected in the collecting duct. And from this collecting duct, all material is passed here in the ureter. On the surface of these convoluted tubules, blood arteries present that carry pure blood inside our body. Means these renal arteries carry impure blood. Now filtration takes place on the Bowman's capsule and waste material is passed, and in this process reabsorption of waste material takes place, in which different type of amino acids, useful amino acids, glucose, proteins, this different type of useful material are reabsorbed and then passed into the body again, and waste material collected in the collecting duct, and this is now removed by the ureter, and the process of excretion, all waste material is removed from our body. Now our next topic is renal failure. Means किसी भी इन्फेक्शन के कारण या जर्म्स बैक्टीरिया के कारण किसी भी वजह से जब हमारी किडनी वर्क करना बंद कर देती है, उसे कहते हैं रीनल फेलर, मींस किडनी फेलर, और उसके लिए डायलाइसिस की प्रोसेस करवाई जाती है, जिससे हमारी बॉडी में जितना भी वेस्ट मटेरियल होता है उसको रिमूव कर दिया जाता है। ये डायलाइसिस डिपेंड करता है हमारी बॉडी की वर्किंग पे कि किडनी हमारा कितना एक्सक्रीटरी वर्क कर रही है। अगर एक्सक्रीटरी वर्क कम हो गया तो हमारी बॉडी में डायलिसिस उतना ही ज़्यादा किया जाता है, और ये टाइम पे भी डिपेंड करता है, डन इन 1 वीक, एवरी डे, इन मंथ, इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन द एक्सक्रीशन या वर्किंग ऑफ आवर किडनी। थैंक्स एंड हैव ए नाइस डे।